what's near and clear. Funny little sounds, let's use our ear. Animal voices, nature too. Sing along, it's fun for you. In the park, a puppy plays, running, jumping all the way. Listen closely, what's that cheer? Woof, woof, woof is what you hear. In the house, a cat so sweet, curling softly by your feet. Purring gently sounds so near. Meow, meow, meow is what you hear. On the farm, the fields are wide, cows are grazing side by side. Listen closely to their cheer. Moo, moo, moo is what you hear. By the pond, the ducklings play, splashing water all the day. Quacking loud, their voices clear. Quack, quack, quack is what you hear. High above, a song so sweet, chirpy notes, a joyful treat. Flapping wings, they fly so near. Chirp, chirp, chirp is what you hear. Raindrops fall and croak so deep. Frogs are jumping, don't they leap? By the water, sound is clear. Ribbit, ribbit is what you hear. Through the trees, the breezes blow, rustling leaves, they dance and go. Whistling gently, soft to hear. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh is what you hear. Clouds are rumbling loud and strong, lightning flashes all night long. Rolling sounds that shake your ear. Boom, boom, boom is what you hear. Dogs and cats and cows that moo, birds that sing and frogs that croak too. Nature's music far and near, so many sounds for us to hear. What do you hear? What's near and clear? Funny little sounds, let's use our ear. Animal voices, nature too. Sing along, it's fun.